Welcome to my channel. Today here I'm going to make some chicken wings with vegetables. Very easy to make. So if you want to see this video, stay tuned. Okay, here I have 4 pounds of chicken wings, which I already washed them and are already seasoning. So I'm going to show you what I put for seasoning, but remember, you can add more stuff or you can just add your own seasoning. I put some seasoning salt. I'm not going to say the amount because I just sprinkle some in there. Some people like it with a lot of seasoning, some people don't, so that's depend on your taste. Some onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Okay, in this saucepan, I'm going to put some that's oil with achiote oil. That's optional. If you don't want it, if you don't have it, you don't have to put it. You just put regular oil. And I had a video how to make oil, achiote oil. And don't worry, I'm gonna put ingredients in the description box below. I have 1 onion cut in small pieces, a piece of the green pepper, and a piece of the red pepper. And you can add some cilantro, you can add some fresh garlic, recao, basil, whatever fresh stuff you want to add that in there. And I'm gonna saute this and gonna move that occasionally for about 2-3 minutes. Now in here I have 2 medium potatoes cut in small pieces and 1 carrot. You can add more carrots if you like, and you can add more vegetables if you like. And I'm gonna continue sauteing these vegetables. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some of the seasoning salt. And I have in here some sazon. This is with Azafran. I'm going to sprinkle some on top, or you can put one envelope sazon if you like. And I have turmeric, which I'm going to sprinkle some in there also. Turmeric have a lot of healthy stuff. It's good for the health. So I'm going to use a lot of the turmeric in my recipe. Now I'm going to add 4 ounces of tomato sauce. And I have spinach. If you don't like spinach, you don't have to add that in there, but I guarantee you this is very, very good. I add 2 handfuls of spinach, but probably I'm going to add more. Because remember, when you saute the spinach, it's going to just practically dissolve? No. Probably dissolve. So I decide to add a whole bag of the spinach. And now I'm going to add the chicken wings. Then I'm going to mix all the mixture with the chicken wings. That way the chicken wings get all the flavors from all those vegetables. And now I'm going to add the water. And I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And I'm going to bring this to a boil. When it's boiling, you're going to reduce the heat to medium, or number 5, you have electric stove. And you're going to cover it and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes. And I'm going to serve my chicken wings with some white rice. As you see, it's boiling. Reduce the heat, and if you think medium is too high, you can put it in medium low. Cook it for 30 to 40 minutes, and I'm going to show you the final result. After 40 minutes, I'm going to show you. You have to auction. You can leave it the way it is, but I like my juice to be a little bit thick. So what I do is I dissolve 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1/3 cup of water. You're gonna dissolve that, and then you're gonna add that in there. And you see, I have the cornstarch, 1 tablespoon, and I'm gonna put on the ingredients in the description below. And I'm gonna leave this to cook from 2 to 5 minutes. And after that, it's going to be ready. Cover it. Now I'm serving mine with white rice. So as you see, it's another way to eat vegetables, and it's a very good food. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.